Everything we do is an attempt to receive love. Everything we own, all the things we wish to accomplish, all the relationships that we keep, it's all to feel a sense of relatedness and connectedness. I want you to take a moment to think about all the things that you do and how you think that they'll bring you love by accomplishing them. For me personally, I believe that in order to love myself, I need to accomplish at a really high level on a consistent basis. Now, don't get me wrong, it's really important that we grow as humans, as it's an essential human need. But Tony Robbins teaches a really important dichotomy of this. It's the science of achievement, what we need to do in order to achieve our goals. And then the second half of that is the art of fulfillment. Now, we can achieve and achieve and achieve at a very high level and still feel a sense of emptiness. Now, this happened to me yesterday. One of my favorite things to do is just packing up a backpack and just going somewhere by myself and just exploring that place. It's one of the main reasons I got into trading, is because I'd be able to work remotely and I would have the freedom to just do what I wanted, when I wanted, however I wanted. Now, yesterday I was going for a walk in Cheeseman Park, one of my favorite places in the world. And I was sitting there, and lo and behold, I found myself wallowing in self-pity. Why? Because as I was walking around, it was a Saturday evening, and there was a lot of people having picnics, having recreational activities, and just spending time with their friends. And I felt a sense of loneliness because I was by myself. And that just goes to show us that we're always going to want more. Always. That hunger never goes away. And that can become toxic if we don't seek the right things or learn to love what we have. In Emily Fletcher's book, Stress Less, Accomplish More, she talks about a really interesting topic of the I'll be happy when syndrome. Put simply, it's thinking that our happiness lies on the other side of that goal, that person, that situation. And that's simply not the case. Our happiness and that love, it always exists in one place, right in the present moment within us. And I've been a victim to circumstance too. I've had those thoughts that I can't be happy until I do this. I can't be happy until I have this situation in my life. I can't be happy until I'm with this person. I can't be happy until I achieve this. And all that is just an illusion. But the superpower we all have is the power of choice. We can choose no matter what. We dictate the meaning of what things are and what they mean to us. So I want to challenge you to start striving to achieve a life of principles and values, opposed to just trying to accomplish goal after goal. And I want you to look back at your past as well as what's going on around you right now and try to identify how the I'll be happy when syndrome is affecting you. Use it to reframe your past experiences as well as your present moment. And I know that it'll help you as much as it's helped me. So I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.